reinvention of Eastwood High School campus really represents an enduring commitment to providing area Texans and El Pasoans with a very strong foundation on which to build as it built for myself and many other graduates.
Do we have entrepreneurs that affect our society today? Absolutely. This brand new state-of-the-art building.
There is a really high energy around here for this building. There's a sense of anticipation, this is kind of like a culminating finality of the project. But now we're kind of going to press forward and look at other areas to see where we can improve in terms of academics and athletics and co-curricular and those kinds of things, because we've set the standard and we need to continue to build off of that.
I think they've done a wonderful job with the school. The way that it's all laid out, I think it makes a lot more sense as far as the way it flows, because with the old building, everything was really spread out, and now everything all connects from the academics all the way to the fine arts, to the gym and the fields, and I think they've done a wonderful job with all of it.
The Eastwood community is just one example of neighbors and others who are incredibly excited about this new facility. We'd like to build a new Scottsdale Elementary School up the road and keep the momentum going, and that's true of the other 6 learning communities. All of them have needs, and ultimately I think it improves the atmosphere, the climate in each of these neighborhoods and learning communities, and home values go up, and it just, I think, the idea that we are really reinventing and creating this renaissance in the Ysleta Independent School District is exciting.
Didn't get to be in this for all 4 years, but at the same time, no other class gets to say that they got to experience all 3 things. Class of 19 had the old building, the portables, and they had the new building for just a semester, but they didn't get the gym, they didn't get the theater, they didn't get the baseball field. So I really think that that's one thing that we can hold, even though maybe we didn't get to spend 4 years in a brand new gym, but we got to spend 4 years knowing what it truly means to be an Eastwood student in all of its respects.
As the community considers the next bond, I hope that they, see Eastwood as a shining example of what their money and their belief system did, and we think that other communities in our area deserve the same thing.